Your Toyota is equipped with a tire repair kit. In the event of a flat tire, you'll need to temporarily repair your tire. Underneath the trunk floor, you'll find a tire puncture repair kit. Before attempting a repair, check the degree of the tire's damage. The puncture repair kit is designed to temporarily repair a puncture caused by a small nail or screw in the thread. If the tire's damage is worse, please contact Toyota Roadside Assistance. To repair a punctured tire, move the vehicle so that the damaged area is positioned on the top of the tire. And do not remove the object in the tire, or you may cause further damage and prevent the kit's sealant from being effective. To use the kit, remove the valve cap from the tire and the air release cap from the hose on the repair kit. Keep the air release cap in a safe place. You'll need it later. Remove the rubber stopper, then connect the bottle to the compressor and be sure it's securely connected. Now make sure the compressor is off and connect the power plug to an outlet in the vehicle. 2 stickers are provided. One is to mark the damaged tire. And the other is to put in the driver's view as a reminder to drive at moderate speeds and to get the tire permanently repaired. When you're ready to inject the sealant and inflate the tire, check the driver's door sill for the appropriate tire pressure and be sure the vehicle is started. Then, turn on the compressor and inflate the tire until the specified pressure is reached. The pressure on the gauge will spike initially while the sealant is injected. After about a minute, the gauge will display the actual tire pressure. In cooler temperatures, this may take longer. Once you've reached the specified pressure, turn the compressor off and be careful to not overinflate the tire. Put the valve cap back on the repaired tire and the air release cap back on the end of the sealant hose. Unplug the compressor from the power outlet and temporarily store it in the trunk with the sealant connected. You'll need to drive the vehicle about 3 miles below 50 miles per hour to spread the sealant evenly in the tire. Then, check to see if the tire is holding its pressure. You can use a tire gauge or reconnect the compressor. If the tire cannot hold the inflation pressure above 19 psi, the puncture cannot be repaired. If the pressure is above 19 psi, inflate it to its appropriate pressure and drive to your Toyota dealer or a repair shop. Full-speed dynamic radar cruise control supplements conventional cruise control with vehicle-to-vehicle distance control. It allows the vehicle